If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today we're making vegetable lumpia. You're gonna need some onions, carrots, bean sprouts, cabbage, chicken cubes, lumpia wrapper, and vinegar dip. Start by sauteing your onions. By the way, for a complete list of ingredients, please go to the description section of this video. Then add your carrots, to add more flavor, we're also adding 2 chicken cubes. Now this is just an optional ingredient. You can skip this if you want 100% veggie lumpia. Then let's add the cabbage. Let's season this with just a couple of teaspoons of salt, about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then the last ingredient, bean sprouts. We're cooking the bean sprouts just halfway through. Just let it cook for 2 minutes and this is done. At this point, just drain the liquid and let your veggies cool down. Let's wrap our veggies. Just add a big spoonful of veggies. Roll twice, then fold the right side and then the left, then roll again. Seal the ends with just plain water. Some use egg whites or water with cornstarch, but plain water works for this wrapper. You can add more veggies if you prefer a fatter lumpia. The veggies I made here are good for about 60 rolls. Alright, now we can fry. There's really no special instructions on frying. Just make sure your heat is set to medium or medium high so they don't burn. You just need to brown both sides and then it's done. Now to make your vinegar dip, all you need is chopped garlic, onion, hot chili peppers, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to your vinegar. This is the golden brown color we're looking for. This is ready. Here's our golden brown vegetable lumpia. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.